All right, coach. Tough match against a big rival. You have a lot of support here today.
Yeah,
Didn't get the results. What's your assessment of the game today?
Well, I mean, you know, Clarendon College, Edwin Allen game, always a good game. You know what I mean? From the competition start, you know, it's the first, you know, we play at this intensity. You know what I mean? So, you know, this group is always a competitive group. But, you know, this derby now is like the derby of the parish. You know, we fell short. We fell short in concentration after 35 minutes. 2 of our players, and it cost us, right? And you know, it cost us that goal in the first half. You know, we regroup and come back. You know, the first 5-10 minutes of any half is like the most vulnerable moment, and it caught us again off guard. You know, and they scored that second goal. But you know, on and all, you know, kudos to Clarendon College. But I know they're not afraid of us, but I know they are aware of us.
Yeah. Coach Leonard said this is one of the toughest games that they have played so far. In preparing the players for a game like this, a derby game, but not only a derby game, the occasion, nice, the fans and the support.
Yes.
What you have to put in place to get the players mentally ready for a game like this?
Well, that is always a coach's greatest challenge, you know. You know, to keep players mentally focused. You know, we can do a superb job technically, tactically, physically, but the mental part is where, you know, we even have to get other people like, you know, the guidance counselors and people like those to help us with their mental focus. You know, this game is good for us, good for them. We have some young players as well that we gave some games, and, you know, we put them on in second half. This experience is good for them. The crowd, you know, they have to be able to play under this, you know. So, you know, as I said, we just got to regroup and come again.
Tajay Thomas looked exceptionally well, even though he didn't score, but he looked really, really good. How important to have a striker like that up front leading line?
Very sharp, man, and very important. You know, I mean, he was unfortunate numerous times because, you know, even before, in the first 18 minutes, I think we should have up 1-0, you know, but he was a bit unfortunate, you know, by the water down there. I don't know why, no rainfall, and, you know, today, but a little water was there. It was a bit unfortunate, but I know he'll come back and come back good again, you know. You know, we just got to keep him sharp, keep him mentally focused. A loss like this, our first loss, a loss like this, we can't afford for it to get to us.
All right, coach.
Yeah, man.